Hi guys, welcome back. Been called out to this Opel Astra 07 or Vauxhall, whichever part of the world you're in. It's a crank no start. I've just done a quick scan and it has a P0335 present crankshaft sensor, incorrect signal. And I'll just do some testing on the data pads. You can see desired engine speed, graph merge, slow it down. And the blue line is the desired and the green is our actual speed. Just crank the engine over. And as you can see, nada. The battery is a bit low, probably from them cranking. But I just took the sensor out, check the data that I have. Pin 1 and 2 crankshaft position sensor should be between 800 and 1200 ohms. I already done the signal test underneath. I'm not going to show you that. I am getting signal from the ECU, so that's fine. And as we see, the reading we're getting is 800 and 1900 mega ohms, so it's way out of spec. So this needs a new crankshaft sensor, and I think it's Bosch. Won't focus. Yeah, it's Bosch one, so it's probably the original one that's in it. There's big mileage on it. Yeah, it's probably hard to see now. Sorry about the glare. It's 286,223 kilometers. Yep. So I'll show you the other video when she's up and running. Thanks for watching, boys.